usually once a summer, has an event, fall or summer, at that coffee shop down there. And I took Aaron this last year, the year or two before I went down by myself. And I'm done.
Which coffee shop are we talking about?
I don't remember what it's called. I just don't remember what it's called.
Well, are we going to go buy it on?
I think we go by it at some point. There aren't that many places on that I know of on High Ridge, and I'm pretty sure it either sits on High Ridge or is right off of it.
Stay in the right 3 lanes.
Given that there's only 3.
Huh?
She said stay in the right 3 lanes. Given that there's only 3, I mean, I don't know how you do. What she really means is stay in the left 2 lanes.
Yeah, and I don't know if they have figured all this out because they often want to send me somewhere wrong here, depending on what app I'm running. Ooh, hawk. Pretty hawk. Red-shouldered, I think.
I forgot about our Cooper's Hawk. I've got up close to it. We had a Cooper's Hawk in January. Yeah, I still remember this guardrail cache up here that was so hard to get.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What was the level of difficulty on that?
A 4 or 5. The train would have been a 1.
I don't know. Trains have proven very difficult for me because there's so many places you can put it.
Well, and some people don't read
At the next
carefully.
lights, turn right.
You will be getting pretty.
Right here.
Not here. At the quick.
Well, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that's what's going to happen.
At the lights, turn right onto Hawkins Rd.
There.
But I can do this almost in my sleep now because this is how I go get Cynthia.